Okay, so this lecture is specifically designed for Mac users. So I am getting too many requests from students that how to set Chrome driver path in Mac operating system. So I will quickly show how to do that on Mac OS. So if you are Windows user, you can skip this lecture because this will not help you anywhere because you have already set Chrome driver path in the previous lectures. So for Mac users, and if you feel any trouble in giving the path, this video will help us. Okay, so now when we downloaded the Windows, let me go to the Chrome browser. Yeah. So in the last lecture, we have downloaded win32.zip because we are working on Windows machine. So in this lecture, you need to download mac64.zip because you are on Mac OS. So don't worry if your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. You just download this mac.zip file. That's it. So when you download and show in Finder, so that you will see something like this. So right click and then you have to unzip that, right? So open with archive utility, or you might have another utility to unzip the file. So once you unzip, you will see something like this, Chrome driver. So I already have Chrome driver in this machine. That's why it created Chrome driver 2. But when you download for first time, you will see something like this after you unzip it, Chrome driver. So basically you need to send this Chrome driver path to your test. Okay, that's the whole point, right? So how do you send that path then? It's very simple to get the path in Mac machine. Let me show you. I will go to the Finder. Yeah, right click on your Chrome driver and you can say open with terminal. Okay, so when you say open with terminal, then this is how the window opens, and here you will have the path. Okay, so on terminal it will exactly give you the path on where this terminal got opened. So carefully copy this path, whatever you are seeing here, which starts with /users, because when you download, it will obviously go to downloads folder, and you will not see any .exe here. In the last lecture, we have seen Chrome driver .exe. .exe works only on Windows. In Mac, you will not see that. So simply take this path and now come back to your Eclipse and paste it here. That's it. That's all you need to do. Paste. And you need to put double slashes because Java accepts this as special character when you have single slash, but when you have double slashes, then it will treat it as a path. That's it. That's all you need to do if you want to give the path in your Mac machine. And you are now good to run this test. This will open the Chrome browser and it will hit the google.com in that browser. Okay, so it's very simple. Trick here is to right click and then say open terminal, then you will immediately get the path. You see that browser have successfully opened. Okay, so that's how you can actually get the path by using terminal. All right, thank you.